Well, hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into a fabulous Monday. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. A little rainy here in Georgia. Rainy night in Georgia. And anyway, we need the rain. Hope y'all doing good. And we're getting closer and closer to Christmas. We still got the Santa Claus rally going, except for today. We're down a little bit. Look at our friend TQQQ is down 2%. Is that enough down for us to maybe sell a put? We'll look at it maybe. And the E-minis are down 0.38%. And the AD is just dropping like a rock. Look at there, it just keeps going down. AD negative 37, and the VIX is in the 13 handle. Let's look at the Big Green Monster. Now, remember when Stacy said, "Hey, Bobby, why don't we use a Big Green Monster to figure out when to sell our stuff?" Well, it didn't work, did it, here, because it become overbought. But I told you that I thought that even though this was oversold, that we would become overbought again. And sure enough, it did that. So I think we're good on our little call that we sold. Now, do we dare sell a put? I'm not sure, because it's still overbought. So that might mean that it's got more to go down, right? So maybe we wait a day. I don't know. We'll see what kind of premium we can get on it. We'll look at it. Let's look at the E-minis. The E-minis are just under they are fairly priced under the point of control. And indeed, it wanted to test out this little pocket here. And as you can see, it did test the little pocket. So everything works just kind of like we think. And let's go look at the linear regression. Aha, you see what I see? We see consolidation. So we got a little period of consolidation here. And let's clone that. Clone and move him down a little bit. And maybe right there. So we got a little bit of consolidation going on. And so we have down moves. We got a diamond consolidation. We got an up move. And then we've got a straight consolidation. And then it'll probably be, looks like, because this is so in the center here, probably still a move up. I would give a tip of the hat to go up. I think since the overall trend is up, we're still seeing that. And good times ahead, I think, with our little TQQQ plan. We shall see. We've got hedges in place, so we should be covered. Let's go look at our account for the day, see how things are looking. We're down a little bit of money in the main account here, $472. We got 78,731 in there. So let's see what our call is doing. Let's go to our positions. How did I get Walmart in here? Wait a minute. That's in a different account. Okay. I sort of say Walmart shouldn't be in that account. All right. So we got TQQ, we got ES, we got Bill. Let's see. Our little call. Look at this. We're up $29, baby. How about that? Yeah, I like it. So let's see what our hedges are. Let's go to positions. Let's go to cap requirement. Yes, I agree to whatever that just said. May have signed my life away. Have no idea. Let's do auto refresh. And let's do ES. Let's skip our bill and do TQQQ. And we'll do risk analysis. And we'll change this to 40. Now, why 40? Well, in August the 5th, it was up 40 points. So I thought that'd be a good place to put it. Right? That was a day that hurt us a lot. And instead of percent, we'll go points. So, and then instead of this being down 90%, we need to make that 60%. So we got a $15,000 hedge to the downside, which is not bad. Not bad at all. We've got only one short put. Look at this. And how many days on these? 11 days, 22 days, 22 days, 22 days, 39 days, 39 days on that. So I think we're fine. Would I like to have a little more hedge? Sure. I'd like to have a little more hedge. But let's look and see if we might, on a 2% down day, sell a put. Let's see where we can get that put at. So let's go to TQQ. Let's go trade. And we would go about 45 days out. There's a 46 day. And maybe, what does our plan say? I need to pull up our plan because it tells us, I've got stuff written down, and I'm still working on the revised plan with the 111 in it. I don't think I'm going to sell 111 today. I could, I guess. but I think I'm going to look at maybe selling a put in TQQQ. So let's go down and see what the plan says. Oh, this is the wrong one. Let's see. Trading plan 11-15-04. There we go. Is it that? Or is it everything? Yeah, here it is. So let's go to put selling. Let's see. Selling on down days is VIX is less than 15. Sell the 15 to 20 delta put. Okay. So let's look at that. 15 to 20 delta. See what kind of premium we get. 20 delta put would be, boy, there's a big jump there in there. So probably this one, just get $103. It's just above uh my average cost. So now why is that 120 and that's $1.04? That doesn't look right, does it? $1.94 there. Huh. That's strange. We would want a lot more than $1.04. Let's see what we can get here. Let's go to the mid price. Golly, Pete, look at that $1.94. That is kind of wide, isn't it? Huh. See if we get it for $1.49. Let's bump it up to $1.50. Make sure I'm in TQQQ 46 days. Got in instantly. I should have moved that booger up a little bit more. All right, so now let's see if we can close that thing at 50% profit. So now we've got a covered strangle on, right? That's what we've got. So we want to do that at 75 cents. Quantity one of them, review and send, and send. Now let's go back to our little thing and make sure we still got protection in hand. Where are my eyes itching? All right, let's see. What does it mean if your eyes itching? If your ears itching, somebody's talking to you, talking about you. If your nose itching, somebody's coming over. If your eyes itching, I don't know what that means. So let's go over here and see how our little thing is doing now. So we got 15,000 and 11,000. So it brought that one in, that position in. So now we still got $11,000 of protection. So if we have a crash, we're still sitting good, y'all. We got $11,000 to put in the pocket, which is really, really good. And we would use those funds to buy additional shares of TQQQ. All right. Unless y'all got anything else, that's about it. Just for running through the thing. I'm glad we put a trade on today. And if we get another down move tomorrow, we may do a 112 or 111 in the micros, which will be very exciting. So I love you all to pieces. Y'all have a good day, and I will see y'all tomorrow.